Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. It is Sunday and we're going to get my nails done. So we didn't really plan anything today, which is very unusual because sometimes we try to plan things like ahead, but today we've got nothing. So I'm gonna go get my toenails done because they look horrendous. I've got Mimi with me and Paris there. Ooh. Yeah, so we'll see you when I get there. Sunny in Melbourne today, guys, which is good. We're going to Seafood Square Market. So the market itself is closed, but the nail salon that I'm going to is just on the side, so they're open today. Paris! What's that? So that's where I'm going, guys. Venus Nail and Beauty Spa. We're just gonna cross the road. Huh? Yes.
Đây cũng cần là được theo hả?
Con xui tùy theo tâm trạng vui theo buồn.
No, okay. I see.
Xem tháo rồi xem lép rồi massage.
So tapos na ako, guys. So hi guys, I'm done with my pedicure. So I'm just gonna meet Mimi and Paris at chat time because we're going to order milk tea, bubble tea. we're walking around. Food's great, and Paris don't want to sit in her pram anymore, so Mama's carrying her. Hey? You know that you're heavy already? I want to say hi, okay? Say hi. Ooh, she's grumpy, guys. She's Miss Grumpy today. Are you grumpy? Are you grumpy? Someone's having her drink. Hi guys, we're home now. Paris? And Dada is cooking dinner. Excuse me, Daddy. It's a chicken breast with, what's this name?
Ginger and chilies.
Ginger and chilies. So yeah guys, he's the cook in the house, which I don't really complain about. I'm happy with that. He loves the kitchen, guys, so yes, I'm lucky, I know. So it's cooked now, guys. Where? Ang dami. Na kasi we're gonna bring some to work. Lunches to work actually for the whole week. You reckon, Eddie? Whole week?
Whole week.
Would that be enough?
Yeah.
Yum.
Brown rice. Potato. You don't have chili on it. This one.
Yum. Where are you going? Okay, guys. I'm so eating. We didn't notice, guys. She was actually walking towards the stairs already. So Dada got it all ready for us. Guys, got chicken and sweet potato. So that's our lunches for the whole week, I think. Is it lunches day? Yeah. Yum. Awesome. Thank you, Daddy. Actually, guys, this is his. He's like, he's done mine already. So this one.
No, this is yours.
Where?
This is yours. The small containers.
But you know, guys, he actually weighs everything. So I can't, he won't let me get one piece of the chicken because it's already measured. So I can't pinch any of them. He's really into healthy living, guys. And this is what we're gonna have with the chickens. Brown rice cups. Oops. So this is really good. So we don't need to buy lunches anymore because it is freaking expensive to buy lunches here. So this way it's healthy at the same time it's cheaper. Isn't that right, Daddy? Daddy, isn't that right?
Correct.
So guys, that's why ang sarap ng buhay ko, guys. kasi may nagluluto. Kaya pag nag-asawa kayo, choose someone who can cook and is good in the kitchen. So hi guys, we're in Paris's room. That's why it's a bit dark. Look what she's holding. But she's got cold, guys. I think she's got it for a couple of days now. And oh, she's got a little bit of temperature, I think. So I'm gonna give her Panadol so she can sleep well tonight. Alright, honey. Alright, honey. Yeah, so we just want to shout out a few people. Shout out to AJ Saraos. Hi Gopa. Kumusta diha sa ato ah? So she's got a YouTube channel as well, guys. It's simply Aya. I think it's AIYAH. Yeah, I think I'm right. And yeah, hi to your baby as well. She's so gorgeous. And of course to your husband. And also a special mention to my mom. Hi Ma. Hi Lola. Say hi Lola. Hi Lola. Hi. Imong apo makagilantan mo. Ako Mama Vilma sa amo sa Mindanao. How are you Ma? Si akong papa nga Badlungon, shout out pod kay basin og ko shout out ba. Og and also my little brother Johnny. Yeah, I always when he was still like a baby guys, we used to say, Mimi and I used to say Johnny, and then he just responds ate, which is really cute. Now that he's already 10 years old, we still do it. I think it's super sweet. Hopefully, even though, you know, later on when he's got a girlfriend, you know, we were still able to do that. And also, yeah, to my family, my big brother, Kuya Junak, and wife, Ate Shane, my nieces, KM and Miyaka, and oh, this is a new addition to the family, got Leah Grace, and to the one nephew who's very badlungon is Juan is. Hello everyone. Hello. Do you want to say hi to the Philippines, honey? Hi to Lolo Mi. Unsa istorya ni Lolo gani? Basta yung uga, loya na. Kabalo Japon siya, be. Unsa istorya ni Lolo na? Unsa istorya ni Lolo? Oh. So yeah, we're gonna get ready for bed soon, and hopefully Paris won't be too sulky tonight, because the past few nights she's been really she's been crying, like waking maybe I don't know 3 to 5 times a night, just crying. So I know it's just a stage. It's gonna pass for sure, because you know this happened before. I think she's just growing, that's why, and I don't have problem with it. The good thing is, like, convenient for me and for Paris, is that even though she's got her own room, she's got her cot and everything, she still sleeps next to us. So, which is really good, because at night when she wakes and cries, I just feed her, because I still breastfeed her. So don't die, honey. Don't die, honey. Oh, okay. All right. Now she's starting to. My little baby, not feeling well. You got a cold, oh mama can tell. Rest, little baby, I care for you. Mama's kind of boy.